going. And as tradition holds, gangway! Get ready to jump on that ship.
Valencia's actually gonna roll right in.
Roll right in from the stroller. We're gonna jump, Valencia's gonna roll.
Go for it.
Good thing she's awake for it, but it's gangway ready. Here we go. This way for an adventure. Jump with me. On board. All right, we just made it to our cabin. Keys are on the door. Let's go check it out. This time, I'm so happy to see these lovely pink doors. We've missed them, haven't we? Loco Fresh for lunch. Yum! Welcome to Miami. Welcome to the Freedom of the Seas. On board. First up is grabbing some lunch, and it's really quite fitting because welcome to Miami. Will Smith, Miami is playing. Raphael's here, grabbing some lunch. We got the El Loco Fresh right here on the deck. Couldn't say no, so let the cruise begin. Hello friends and welcome aboard the Freedom of the Seas. We just went through an easy breezy embarkation process. Got here at about 12:30, got on board. It's lunchtime now. El Loco Fresh is the place to be. Delicious Mexican, but we are on a 4-night cruise to the Bahamas. I can't wait to take you along with me, show you our room, show you what the entertainment's like, what the food is like, and perfect day at Coco Cay. So much fun to be had, and we're gonna take you all along with us if you're new. By the way, where are my manners? My name is Alana from Travel the World A to Z. Glad to have you here. Do me a solid and smash the thumbs up button if you enjoy cruising. And let's get to it. Beans, rice, chicken, chippies, chicken and beef burritos, chicken and cheese quesadilla, and then of course your beverage host will get you your drinks. A lovely bar. Fun to be had. We are exploring the ship here, and we're now on the Royal Promenade in Karma. In the jewelry store is so sweet. Got a load of Valencia and wanted to give her one of these little necklaces from Effie. It's blue, just like Valencia's eyes. So how sweet is that? Thank you, Karma. Steak.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Warm hazelnut cake. Oh. Wow, so much to catch you up on. So, sail away happened and we were up on the deck. I actually went live for a good hour because every time we're on the cruise, we try to go live at least once a day, and we're actually doing a fun giveaway throughout the cruise, so that was a hoot. So sail away happened, and then we rushed over to the main dining room for dinner. Dinner was great. I had the salmon, super tasty, and was like, I don't know, the evening just kind of like got away from us. So time to like clean up, shower, get Valencia for bed. She's still awake, still going strong. But we're just walking around a little bit, trying to get her a little extra tired and checking out the shops that are now open now that we're out at sea. And Raphael, of course, wanted to check out and see if they have any of the ship models. And unfortunately, they're all sold out. They don't have any with the new refurbishment because this ship was actually refurbished back in 2019 before the shutdown. So they don't have any of the new ones available. So looks like we'll just have to come back and sail the ship again to buy the ship model. So we'll look for that later on. But for right now, we're gonna stroll a little bit and make our way perhaps to some evening entertainment.
Are you ready? I already guys said I'm gonna ask you once, now I have to ask you again. You are willingly here with your free will. So show it like you enjoy it, alright? Are you ready to have some fun?
One thing I really love is the wealth of knowledge from cameraman here. He was telling me about the Ben & Jerry's ice cream suite. So if you stay in the room, which is right up there through the windows, you actually get to look at the booty of the cow. And the best bet of staying in that room is coupons for ice cream. Let's go see those flavors. Okay, walking around, this is pretty crazy. There's a Guinness Book World Records certificate here that the Freedom of the Seas was the largest passenger ship back in 2006 when it first came into service out of Southampton. Now, how crazy is this? Because every Royal Caribbean ship that has come into the fleet now has probably won this award, and I wonder, does each one have a sign now that has this? I didn't know, I've never seen this on other ships before, but Freedom is not the largest anymore. Symphony is currently the largest, and when Wonder comes next year, Wonder will be the largest. So super cool to see that little plaque. If you could break a Guinness Book of World Records, what would it be? Interestingly enough, I was listening to the radio in the car, which I don't usually ever do. Normally I'm listening to a podcast or something like that. But when I was listening to the radio, they were telling me about how a guy had broken a Guinness Book of World Records. You want to know what he did? He ate a bicycle, piece by piece. He melted it all down, but he ate a bicycle. So you could do that if you want. You could break that Guinness Book of World Records, or you could build the largest cruise ship and do that too. Well, friends, that does it for day one aboard the Freedom of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it's like on board, from all the different protocols, what we ate, and enjoying the ship. Movie Under the Stars there with Tom and Jerry was super cute. Caught a little bit of that, but it's time to prepare for a perfect day at Coco Cay tomorrow. So be sure to join us for that in our next vlog. Check out these other two videos that I know you will enjoy as well. Until next time, ciao for now.